right, y'all, so this is a queen's order. I haven't done this pair in a while, which is one of my favorite pairs to do. But this is Dorothy Dandridge. This was a rush order because they're wearing them as a Halloween. I hope I get the pictures of them. Yeah, so y'all check out Dorothy Dandridge. She's one of my favorite muses. I done drew her a couple of times. This is my version of her from the movie Carmen Jones. It was an all-black cast. I think Pearl Bailey, Diane Carroll. It was an all-black cast. Even though I didn't care too much for the storyline, but at that time, that's what type of roles we got. It's like we didn't have to take them, but she was acting and she did a great job. And I love Halle Berry too. So Halle Berry did a movie called, I think it was Introducing Dorothy Dandridge. A very good movie. These just green on the back. And they're going across the screen. So I'll let y'all see the next order. So this is a queen's order. So these are going to Australia. I know I used to ship to Australia a whole lot. A little bit before, I think it was before COVID, they changed the shipping prices. And then COVID, a lot, you know, international kind of was like shut down. The other day I said to myself, I haven't got an order from Australia in a while. Australia, France, and the UK was like some of the biggest international places that I shipped to. I done shipped to Japan, Africa, a lot of the islands. I done shipped to Hawaii. I shipped to a lot of places. Even though I know Hawaii is owned by the United States. I said it the other day. I said, I haven't got an order from Australia in a minute. Y'all, the next day, it could have been in a couple hours because time is a little different from me in my reality. This order came in from Australia. All right, y'all. It's Radiant Queen, and this is a homage to Basquiat. Like the crown. And somebody wrote a book called Radiant Child, and it was a book about him. Children's book, so that's why this what it inspired. So this is the back, and that's the story of these earrings. Biggie, Biggie, give me one more chance. Biggie, Biggie, give me one more chance. All right, y'all, so here's another queen's order to all the ladies in the place with style and grace. All right, so this is my Biggie design. I love the crown. I love his little Coogee sweater I made. And in this one, I gave him the brown color. But the original pair was to stain on his face. So this is the original pair. So this is one of my sample pair that I use. I have another pair that I'm working on. I can show y'all. I haven't glossed it or hooked it, and y'all will see where it's going to. So each one a little different. I need to work a little bit more on his eyes. Yeah, a little bit more on his eyes. But this is going to the place across the screen, and this is going to the place across the screen. And I just did this back like this one too. But it's a little different because this customer wanted this color right here, this blue color. I wanted the black and the blue. All right, so I gotta just work a little bit more on his eyes. I want to bring his eyes down a little bit. He looking mean on here. He looking interested. You know, each pair I make is a little different. So, all right, y'all, I'm going to the next one. So here's another queen's order. I haven't done these in a while. So I just did the back like this. The original back is just usually black, and I painted this bead. So these are cute. All right, I'm going to the next order. All right, y'all, so here's another queen's order. I haven't done these in a minute. It's always good to do a pair that you haven't done in a while. But yes, these are cute. Got a little mud cloth design, you know, fingerprint design, and in the back, look at the back, y'all. Look how fire these is. The other one is similar. All right. And then we got these right here. I've been doing these for over 10 years. And this is my version of Michael Jackson. If y'all look over here, y'all will see the cartoon version, but this is my version. So I kind of gave him like the little chin. I think y'all look over there, y'all will see that. But I wanted his hair to look really, really bushy. Little afro. I got ABC, so easy as 1, 2, 3. And on this one, it got MJ. All right. This is it for a Queen's Order. Y'all don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Leave a beautiful comment. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter. And donate to this channel. You can donate as low as $1, high as you want. The donation links are on this video or in the description box. And you can also click the thanks button. If you look below this video, it's a thanks button. They got a heart. You can donate there too. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam.